Like emotionally, how did it feel?
You have to understand, we had a group of people from all around the world, Haitians, sitting there thinking about how do we help Haiti restart. And it was from the United States and other countries. And you're sitting here in a lobby just enjoying each other's company. And you see that. Our first thought was, okay, thank you. We'll mobilize and show you, right? But the other thing is, what about the young people? I have a pet. I love my Bella. And so you sit there and you say, this is what my country, my American country, has become? That in a national debate, that's the nastiness that you're going to show? That was what it's embarrassing. Because we are maybe Haitians that were born in Haiti, but we chose to be Americans. When you choose to be an American, that means you're going to support and you stand for your country. And when you see that, I don't want that nonsense in Haiti. Why would I accept this here?
I also want to say I felt a sense of betrayal. It was Haitians and Haitian Americans who helped found, for example, the city of Chicago. That's right. It was Haiti and Haitian Americans who fought in the Battle of Savannah in 1812 for the United States to help secure their freedom. That's right. It was Haiti that successfully rebelled against the, for many hundreds of years we had a capitalism that was based on slavery. And they destructed this international economic system. And not only did they defeat the French successfully, but also the Spanish and the British. That's right. And as a result, the Louisiana Purchase occurred because Thomas Jefferson now could explore those lands without having the French use Haiti as a base to protect their colonial interests. And so this is very anti-American. Just to hear a president, a former president, say such ill and disparaging things against individuals who have shed their blood for this country. But I know not to let a racist make me question myself and the way I see myself. And so I'm asking all the young Haitian children, I'm asking all of the Haitian people to know that you are very special people. Just like all Caribbean people, just like all people, and that you deserve respect, you deserve decency, and you deserve to be uplifted by your leaders and not to be divided and destroyed by your leaders.
That's right.
And so please, as they say in Creole, Québécois, which means stand strong. Thank you.
Yes, coming in the next few days here in Long Island, and President Trump is expected to be in the event. Do you think the ex-president is going to apologize in this?
Not at all. Not at all.
Not at all.
Yeah, and thank you very much for the Univision for being here. Yesterday I went to an event and Telemundo. I'm so sorry. I apologize. I was approached by many people from the Dominican Republic who expressed their concern about these statements. They were concerned. I was in fact surprised to see my Dominican brothers concerned that we are being treated in a discriminatory manner. And I felt a sense of allegiance with my Dominican brothers. And so I want to thank my Dominican brothers. We are all united on this message. Look at the diverse community that we have here. You don't have to be Haitian to be upset about these statements. Okay? So thank you. Yes.
You guys have talked about the fear of kids. I mean, what are you hearing from children?
So we have a group in Ohio. So you have to understand, many Haitians were asked the last 15 years to go to Ohio to help bring that economy. And now that they're there, to hear that, they're scared. You have to understand that.
I'm talking about what you've heard here from people. Have people expressed fear to you directly? Or is that just something you believe that fear?
Without mentioning names, when you have a target on your back to ignorant people that don't understand that lies are lies, when you walk is what they say, right? Imagine someone walking their dogs that's Haitian right now. That's going to be on your mind. But the base that they're trying to scare, that's the base that's going to hold their dogs and their cats a little closer because they're listening to that. Just like what we have experienced sometimes of people holding their purses a little tighter. That's the trauma and that's the fear that black people already are dealing with. And now when we have all of us trying to unite together, and you throw that, because it's not just about the Haitians. I have plenty of friends that are white. I have plenty of friends that are Italian. We're a diverse community. We are a diverse family. You know, sometimes, they think we're brother and sister. Because that's what we are. And so when you say something like that, and your child, my 17-year-old son said, I don't even understand that. How do you think I feel? He's about to go to college. And those are the kind of things that's being said.
As an elected official, I'm also very disturbed by these comments because J.D. Vance, instead of retracting and apologizing, he's doubling down and changing his story and saying, oh, constituents are calling my office saying that they saw someone eat a dog or cat or ate Garfield. I don't think so. He's lying. I ask the media to reach out to Senator Vance and ask him for the records of his legislative office. We want to see what constituents are actually saying these lies. Reba, who works in my office, we record the phone number and name of every person that calls our office. That's what a legislative office is supposed to do. And so we're going to ask J.D. Vance, show us the proof.
That's right.
Because there is no proof. You're a liar. You're lying about such good people. That's un-Christian. How dare you? How dare you go to church? You don't deserve to be a senator.
That's right.
And I'm asking Elon Musk. I know you were in space today, but honestly, you act like a space cadet. How dare you double down on these lies and spread these fallacies and spread these lies through Twitter or X or whatever you call it? You're not even American. You're South African, and the allegations are that it was a South African who was taking the goose and the geese, or whatever, the duck. So these statements are completely false, and there's no way they could justify it or verify it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much, everybody.
All right, so these community activists in Nassau County, New York, are going after Donald Trump on those claims from Springfield, Ohio. And also they are upset as well that Donald Trump will be in Long Island on Wednesday for a rally